Hey guys, welcome Andrew, welcome back to the channel. jdevincicollabs here with an exciting Luvmehair wig install. Just start off by showing you guys the box because Luvmehair is so consistent. It's not like one day they're gonna send you a box, one day they're gonna send you a bag. So that's what I really love about Luvmehair. They always give you random gifts. So let me just show you today's random gifts. I got another Luvmehair comb, and I say another because I love some combs, rat tail combs. I can use this to braid my hair down. You get a milk belt. These always come up missing. Like I literally never know where they are, so I love getting them each time. And then they give us a translucent wig cap. These ones are the new ones, so these ones are super melty. A Luvmehair dust bag. I have two of the same wigs, okay? But I'm gonna be showing you guys the different sizes just in case long hair is not for you. So this is what the closure looks like. It's a closure wig, but it's more of like a big closure, like a 5x5 closure. The inside looks nice. It's beautiful. It's thick. It has come pre-plucked. And it is pre-bleached. It can be bleached more in case you like bleach, but this is the first one. This one is the longer one. So this one is the 22, I believe. So just like the last one, it does come pre-bleached. It does come pre-plucked. So today we're gonna be comparing lengths, and I'm gonna be showing you guys the differences in the lengths and how they both look just straight out of the package. No manipulating, no nothing. So let's get it.
Stop playing with him.
jdevincicollabs and his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me and his bitch.
To make it as easy as I can, I'm literally gonna just cut as close as I can off camera. So you literally just cut it off, okay? I want this to be the easiest wig install ever, and I cut as close to that hairline as possible. Lace is cut off, let's put it on. And this is also a Luvmehair wig. All right, so now we're gonna just put on the wig. If you have your edges out, even better. And I do use the combs. Just position it where you want it on your head. What I'm gonna do is just begin finger combing it because the bigger the better. The less product you put on it and the less manipulating you do, the more it's gonna last. Oh, this length is so cute. Ooh, it's gorgeous. Okay, let me go get my makeup so I can finesse. I've got the makeup. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just add a little bit, even though you guys can see it's already like ready to go. It's pre-plucked. Everything looks really good, but since I didn't further bleach the knots, I just want to make sure everything is super to my liking. You kind of gotta like wiggle it in there. Oh, this is gorgeous. So this is the first length, okay? This length is short, but it's still giving cute. It's still giving natural hair goals, and I am a fan. Now what we're gonna do is try the next one on. Even though it is a closure wig, you can still take it and put it behind your ear. And if you want it flatter, put some water on it. Before I show you guys the second version, the longer version, I actually really like this length. It's not short enough where it's too short. You know, sometimes when they're bobby, they're a little too short. I feel like this is a realistic length. A lot of people's hair is this length. When you stretch it, it's given like 14 inch. This is gorgeous. This curl pattern is great. I literally just took it out of the package and then finger combed it. So I love the way the curls look. When you wash it and you use your dimming brush, the curls are gonna be more defined, but I love a good, big, bold look. So this is the first one. It's giving gorgeous. Let's put on the second one. Okay, so I did the same thing. I cut the lace off, so let's put it on. All right, and I am utilizing the comb. Oh, and it's definitely big head friendly. Let's just briefly add the makeup like last time. You don't need to do this, but I like to do this because I didn't further bleach the knots. The knots did come bleached, but I like to further bleach the knots just for the most natural appearance. But if you're like new, go ahead and add you some powder. So you add the powder first and you kind of like blend it in just so it can start camouflaging itself. Yeah, because I can already see that the roots have been bleached. So it's definitely pre-plucked, ready to go for any beginner out there. Take our hands. Yeah, so this is definitely my type of hair. Definitely big head friendly. Length check, length difference. Which one is your favorite? Whoa, okay, yeah, this is giving like big, bold, bad mama jamma. You can cut you some layers if you want to. Oh my God. Okay, I think I like this one. This hair is giving big and bold. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. Let me just stand up for you. So yeah, if we wanted to stretch this, like be for real. This is gorgeous. I'm gonna just keep on making it bigger. This is gonna be for my girlies who like to make statements, who like to have big, bold, luscious curls, you know what I mean? And this is straight out of the pack. Like I said, if you were to wash it, use a dimming brush, add some product, just know that you're gonna have to keep that up. I like to keep it in this most purest form possible because the moment I start manipulating the hair is when I have to actually do more work. And my purpose when it comes to wigs is I want to do less work, okay? I love both. Which one is your favorite? I think low-key, I think for me when it comes to filming like TikToks and making content, taking Instagram pictures, I will go for the longer version. But like for a more everyday trying to get my hair out of my face, the shorter version is definitely it. But let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll have everything in the comments below. And yeah, I literally love both. They are so gorgeous. All right, bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like J and Beyonce.